The GTHA, or Greater Toronto Hamilton Area, is one of the fastest growing regions in North America. It is projected to grow from 10 million to 14.9 million by the year 2051. With this said, our priorities provide the most creative and unique solutions to the largest problems in public transportation in the GTHA.
The transportation design was done to assess the impact of the proposed development on the surrounding residential neighborhood and roadways. Any required changes will be recommended if needed. Recommendations on changes to nearby intersections were made. A roundabout design was implemented to optimize traffic flow and safety. Recommendations on how to deal with future development and population growth rate were made regarding the surrounding network.
The structural design consisted of two components, a two-story braced steel structure for the main terminal building and single-story structures for the parking lot canopy and terminal overhangs for the train platforms. They were designed to reduce self-weight and overall project costs. The connections were designed as per CISE S16 Section 14. The design of connections included slab joist, joist girder, girder column, column foundations, and exterior bracing.
Let's talk about the pavement design. There will be two parking lots, one driveway for terminal buses, one driveway allowing access from the site to the main road for regular vehicles. The driveways and parking lot will not be the only form of pavement, as sidewalks will also be included in the design process as well. The entire site will need to be excavated, regraded, and compacted to ensure Ontario provincial standards are complied with. Prior to paving these lots, the water main and sewer works will need to be completed. The materials that we used for the pavement design are more traditional to comply with the Lincoln standards.
The project stormwater management plan was designed considering the existing soil conditions, watershed information, and rainfall data. The facilities incorporate low-impact developments such as a bioretention system within the parking lot and a roof cistern attached to the building. A new water main within the city's property is proposed in addition to the fire hydrants, water service, and fire service lines connected to the building. The water pipes are all made of PVC, where the sizes range from 100 millimeters to 300 millimeters. Finally, the sanitary sewer design comprises 4,000 millimeter maintenance holes and PVC SDR35 pipes.
In the site planning process, a site selection was initially conducted. 3 sites were of consideration in West Lincoln, Beamsville, and Vineland. The final site was chosen in Beamsville, a community of Lincoln, Ontario. This was chosen based on demographic, traffic, topography, geotechnical, and soil data. Following this, a Class 2 Transit Project environmental assessment was done to submit to the Ministry of the Environment. Environmental, socioeconomic, and cultural impacts were assessed to see the impact of the development at hand. A mitigation plan was developed in the end to mitigate economic, traffic, drainage, wildlife, vegetation, and air quality potential impacts.
Let's get into the interior features of the facility. We wanted to include Tim Hortons and Wendy's to incorporate a wide variety of options for everyone, reliability and convenience. We opted for natural lighting because it would help us save on electricity in the daytime, and it really increases the attentiveness and welcomeness of the environment. We wanted to include a fitness facility because many people are unable to incorporate this due to their commute, but if it were tied to the place of their commute, it would be much more convenient, and this is why we wanted to do this.
The foundation design for the Lincoln Beamsville GO station consists of geotechnical information, site characterization, analysis of soil parameters, and foundation loading parameters, as well as a proposed foundation design.
For cost estimation, we wanted to remain as accurate as possible, and by doing so, we arrived at a total cost of $23,873,098.18. A breakdown of these costs can be seen on the charts as follows.